Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am pumped you are here today because we are diving into something that is about to supercharge your kitchen setup, the Vitamix 12-cup food processor attachment with self-detect. If you already own a Vitamix Ascent or Venturist blender and you are tired of juggling multiple gadgets for chopping, slicing, and shredding, this attachment is your new best friend. Imagine dicing veggies in seconds, kneading dough without a mess, or shredding cheese like a pro, all using the power of your existing blender base. It is a space saver that turns your blender into a full-on food prep station. Stick around because by the end, you will get why this pro-level add-on belongs in your collection. And if you click the link in the description to grab it on Amazon, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you score the best deal. All right, let us break down the features of this incredible attachment. First things first, compatibility is key. It works seamlessly with Vitamix Ascent and Venturist series motor bases, but not the older Explorian or Legacy ones, so double check your model. The self-detect technology is the star here with wireless NFC chips that let the base recognize the attachment and automatically adjust blend times, speeds, and even shut off if it is not assembled safely. No twisty locks or guesswork, just snap the pieces together and go. The work bowl is a generous 12-cup capacity made of durable, BPA-free Triton plastic that is crystal clear so you can see your progress. It has measurement marks on the side for easy portioning, and it handles both dry and wet ingredients up to the max lines, like 12 cups dry or 8 cups liquid to avoid leaks. The lid snaps on tight with tabs on two sides, and it features two chutes, a narrow one for small items like garlic or herbs, and a larger oval rectangular one for bigger stuff like carrots or blocks of cheese. You get two food pushers, one large and one small, to safely guide ingredients without risking your fingers. Now, the blades and discs make it versatile. There is an S-shaped multi-use blade for chopping, mincing, kneading dough, and mixing batters. It is sharp, removable for easy cleaning, and sits low in the bowl for efficient processing. Then, two reversible discs, one for thin slicing and fine shredding, the other for thick slicing and coarse shredding. Both are stainless steel and stored neatly in the included disc storage case. The whole thing converts to a compact storage mode, stacking inside the bowl with an extender for tidy cabinet space. Controls are simple since it uses your blender base. Pulse for quick bursts, variable speeds for control, and the self-detect triggers a self-cleaning program, though you might need to scrub tougher bits by hand. It is mostly dishwasher safe, except the base, and everything is built tough to match Vitamix quality. Price sits around $250, a steal if you already have the blender. Okay, real talk time, pros and cons after using it for weeks on everything from veggie preps to pie dough. Pros first. Number one, the power from your Vitamix base is unbeatable. It chops onions evenly without tears, shreds cheese into fluffy piles in seconds, and kneads dough smoother than my old standalone processor. Number two, self-detect is a safety game changer, preventing accidents and auto-adjusting for perfect results. Number three, the 12-cup size is spot on for family meals, handling big batches without overflow. Number four, cleanup is a breeze, mostly dishwasher safe, and the removable blades mean no stuck-on gunk. Number five, it saves space and money by ditching a separate food processor, and the build feels premium with no leaks or wobbles. Number six, versatility shines for slicing beets thin for salads or grating carrots for baking. Overall, it makes meal prep fun and fast. Now cons to keep it balanced. One, it is not standalone, so if you do not have a compatible Vitamix, you are looking at a bigger investment. Two, the lid can be stiff to snap on or off at first, though it eases up with use. Three, no dedicated programs beyond self-clean, so you pulse manually for some tasks. Four, the chutes are functional, but not as wide as some standalone models for super bulky items. Five, at $250, it feels pricey if you rarely chop, and the discs could use more options out of the box. Six, it might stain slightly from beets or carrots, but soap takes it right off. But honestly, the pros outweigh the cons big time. If you own a compatible Vitamix and prep food a few times a week, this attachment streamlines your kitchen without clutter. It is not for blender newbies, but for serious cooks wanting pro results. It is a total win. So my recommendation, snag the Vitamix 12-cup food processor attachment now. It unlocks new levels of efficiency, turning simple ingredients into gourmet meals effortlessly. Click the referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your future self will thank you for easier Sundays. Before we wrap, smash that subscribe for more kitchen hacks and click the link to support us. What is your go-to chop? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, you legends. If this helped, like it, share with a cooking buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time!